Hello, this is Twin Flame Tarot 1111, and I'm going to be doing a flip through of the Oracle card deck Goddesses, Gods, and Guardians, a 44 card deck and guidebook by Sophie Brashford, artwork by Hillary Wilson. As you can see already, this gold lettering is on fire. It is bouncing. Really, really beautiful. I've just gotten this deck. I haven't started using it yet. So I thought I would do this flip through before I start using it. But I loved the artwork. I was really drawn to it, and that's why I purchased it. I think I did see one other video of a flip through of this. Maybe there's a couple. But I figured while I'm at it, I might as well just do flip throughs of all of the decks that I have, since I have so many and I'm still continuing to add to my collection. So yeah, let's get started. Connect with the divine feminine, masculine, and magical energies of this sacred oracle to receive guidance for inner healing and spiritual growth. The 44 vibrant and soulful cards depict a diverse collection of powerful global deities and spiritual guides to divinely support, empower, and inspire your path. Beautiful. Goddesses, gods, and guardians, I receive your wisdom with an open heart. Thank you for revealing sacred truths that illuminate my soul's path. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the book here. Pretty thick book, I would say. A little thicker than normal decks, I would say. Got the intro here. Okay. Some ritual options. How to prepare your cards, how to do reading, card spreads. Okay, that's what I was looking for. So she does have card spreads in here, recommendations of how to do your cards, lay out your cards. And the interpretation for cards looks to be, oh wow, it's quite extensive. That's why the book is so thick. Looks to be about 3 pages. Well, at least for one, it's 3 pages. This one is also 3 pages. Yeah, so all of these explanations are 3 pages. That's why we've got such a thick book. I love it. Okay, so first card is Aditi, and we'll get started there. I love the feeling of opening a new deck. It's so great because you can get to just kind of begin to tune it in with your energy. You cleanse your decks and do all of those beautiful things, and it just feels so fresh and new. All right, so let's start in the order of the book. Aditi, expand your consciousness. What beautiful artwork here in this book. In this card deck, excuse me. So I don't know how to pronounce a lot of these, so I'll just be kind of fuddling my way through. Please don't get offended if I don't pronounce these correctly. I will do more research before I start using them. Amaterasu, no more hiding. Aphrodite, eternal love. Apollo, divine messages. Artemis, brave spirit. This artwork, you guys, is next level. I love it. It looks like, obviously, it's obviously drawn, but it's like the details make them look so real. The colors. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Really, really great job on this artwork, Hillary Wilson. Fantastic. Asclepios, sacred medicine. Athena, wise decision. Avalon priestess, intuitive awakening. These are so beautiful, you guys. Baba Yaga, patience. I love that. Wow. Bridget, you are a healer. Oh my God, you guys, I cannot wait to start using this deck. Just the energy, I feel the energy is so alive, just with the artwork, the energy is just like popping off of these cards. Woo. Butterfly Maiden, beautiful change. Dryad, protect your energy. Epona, earth magic. Hathor, soul family. I love that. Wow. Oh my God, you guys, I can't. This deck, this might be up there with my favorite Oracle decks. Honestly, this is so gorgeous. Hecate, past life healing. Hell, end of a cycle. Oh, I just realized, guys, I didn't do the cardstock test for you. Looks pretty durable. But there is some bend there. So I typically don't shuffle my decks bending anyway. So this wouldn't bother me. But as you can see, there is some bend for the deck's not wanting to go back to the original shape. So just to note, Hell, end of a cycle. Wow. High Priest of Atlantis, chakra healing. Hod, tell the truth, or Hod. Imhotep, visionary. Wow, you guys. Oh my God. Inanna, believe in yourself. Wow. Oh, I love the tattoos on her arm there. Isis, my favorite, one of my favorites, sacred contracts. Kali Ma, spiritual transformation. Oh, wow, gorgeous. Cain, life force energy. King Neptune, sensitivity. Kuan Yin, kindness and nurturing. Guys, I'm just so excited about using this deck. It's so gorgeous. I can barely get through this flip through. I want to start using it already. Leah, stand your ground. Lilith, face your shadow. Mary Magdalene, sacred marriage. Mawu Lisa, balance. Merlin, cosmic knowledge. Mermaid of Lemuria, joy. Mother Mary, emotional healing. Nematona, safe space. Wow, oh my God. Ogma, watch your words. Oshun, sweet success. Pele, light your fire. Persephone, new beginnings. Or Persephone. Kadesh, sexual wisdom. Ra, share your gift. Wow. Rhiannon, inner strength. Sedna, there is always enough. Oh my God. Star Maiden, rest. Wow, these are so gorgeous. Thoth, divine masculine. Lazal, Teodal. Pretty sure I did not pronounce that properly. Forgive. Interesting. I noticed that there is a divine masculine card in here, but no divine feminine. So very, very interesting. I'm sure there's a very specific reason for that. So yes, guys, this is the end of the flip through. I will leave a link below to where you can purchase this beautiful, beautiful deck. And I will see you in the next video.